Hey guys, it is Dani'i and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the Atlantic. We have our two invests now tropical depressions, and so we're expecting that both of these will become tropical storms. One expected to become a hurricane, but both of them have the possibility to become hurricanes, guys. And so if you want to know where tropical storm watches are in place for and where will be affected by both of these systems, please keep watching this video. And we also have that area of disturbed weather about to emerge off Africa to talk about. But before we go into details, as usual, guys, please subscribe if you're new to my channel and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right throughout the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is weathergirl Dani'i and my personal account is Dani'i Henry Official. Okay, so first looking at tropical depression number 13, and that is the depression to the east of the Lesser Antilles. And so looking at satellite view, we're seeing it. There's actually a small decrease in shower and thunderstorm activity, but of course it is going to be moving into conditions that are going to encourage some additional strengthening of this tropical system here, and we're expecting it to become a tropical storm very soon. And so for the potential path, here we have our models agreeing that it will not make landfall in most of the Greater Antilles, and they were showing a more southern track yesterday. Now we see these tracks moving a bit more north. So the bad news is that it is going to spend a lot of time over those warm ocean waters, and that will encourage it to intensify. And so most of the Greater Antilles, I'd say the Northern Caribbean, the Bahamas, Florida, definitely going to be impacted. And for the potential intensity, here we have most of our models agreeing that it will reach at hurricane status 2 at this time, expecting it to become a major hurricane, I should say, categories 3 and 4 respectively. And so now we want to go to the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty with some very interesting details that you must pay attention to. So here we have it, and we have what you're seeing in yellow is a tropical storm watch that is in place for portions of the Lesser Antilles. So we have it in place for Saba and St. Eustatius, St. Martin, Antigua, Barbuda, St. Kitts, Nevis, and Anguilla. So those areas can expect tropical storm-like conditions within about 48 hours, and maybe later today or tomorrow we could see other areas being under tropical storm watches and warnings. And we're seeing that by Monday we're expecting this to arrive at hurricane status, guys. And so with little to no land interaction basically with near the center of the system, we can definitely expect this intensifying, and there is still the possibility for some rapid intensification, although this is not expected to become a very strong hurricane, but again the possibility is there. And next here is tropical depression number 14. It recently was identified as a tropical depression, and so right now we have Jamaica, where I live. We are being affected by this. Well, not badly in my area. I'm on the northwestern edge of the island, and so we have most of the convection being scattered all around. So this is not very organized, but as time goes by, we're expecting it to look a lot better. And now for the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty. So we have a tropical storm watch, which is in yellow, being in place for the Honduras, Nicaragua border right there, going westward to Punta Castilla in Honduras, and also for the Bay Islands of Honduras. So those areas again can expect tropical storm-like conditions within about 48 hours. And so when this is the National Hurricane Center's cone as of now is showing that this could make landfall along the eastern side of Texas, and it is likely that this will be near hurricane strength. I wouldn't be surprised if it is a hurricane as landfall. So if you're in United States, Texas or Louisiana, you want to start preparing for what could be a potential landfall and hurricane. And also if you're in the Yucatan Peninsula and portions of Central America, you also want to take the necessary precautions, guys. And now to that area of disturbed weather. So through the next 5 days, this is given a 40% chance of development, and we're expecting that the time for it to develop is quite limited because conditions will get unfavorable a couple of days from now, guys. But this still must be watched for any sort of intensification. But as of now, not much of a threat to land, guys. And so I will keep giving updates on the tropics. And so the next names on the list I should have made mention of, which I was in my previous videos, are Laura and Marco. So our depression is expected to become named storm soon. And so, guys, if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts in the comments or ask question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weatherwise.